Jack, are you going to decorate your first gingerbread house? We got all the supplies, a little gingerbread house, and we're going to decorate your gingerbread house for Christmas. Is that going to be fun? I don't think there's going to be much that you're able to do, but that's okay. Ready, sweetie? Do you want to hold the frosting? Do you want to hold your frosting? Are you excited? Okay. Mommy's going to open everything up, and Daddy's going to help decorate with us. Okay? Okay? Whoops. Excuse you. Excuse Jack. Look, we started your gingerbread house. Jack? Look, baby. Look. You've got frosting on it already. And then we're going to put little gumdrops on it. You want to hold your gumdrops? Hold your gumdrops. Hold your gumdrops. Or throw them on the ground. Look, Jack. Look, sweetie. Look at your gingerbread house. What do you think, baby? What do you think of your gingerbread house so far?
His foot's on. His foot's going to kick over.
Whoops. Don't kick your gingerbread house. Don't kick your gingerbread house, Jack. Did you almost knock your gingerbread house over? Did you almost knock it over? What do you think of it? Does it look yummy? Well, do you want to put a candy cane on it? Are you going to help? Are you going to help? Hi! You excited? Look, your daddy's working hard on it. It's going to be so pretty when it's done. We're going to write Jack on it. It'll have your name. And you'll be able to look at it. But you won't be able to touch it. No, you won't. You won't be able to touch it. You excited? What? Gingerbread. 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 Please don't fall backwards. That would not be fun. Okay, we're going to go back to decorating, okay? Alright, we screwed up your name. We don't know how to bake or decorate. Your name ain't looking so good. Not looking so hot. Nope. Don't worry. Your gingerbread house is going to be great when it's done. It's going to be great. Put the little trees and Santa on your gingerbread house? You excited? Look, Daddy fixed it. And he made it all better. Now it says Jack. And the other side of your roof is going to be red. You'll have a one-sided roof that's red. Are you holding it? Use your hands, not your toes, to pick things up, please. There you go. You excited to start decorating? You start decorating. Look, baby, look at your gingerbread house. What do you think of your gingerbread? Look. It says Jack on it, and there's a Santa with little gumdrops on top. Can you turn it more? Then we've got candy canes on that side and gumdrops on that side. And there's the red roof from where we messed up your name. Look, baby, what do you think? You hold it up to him. Look, Jack. Look, sweetie. Your gingerbread house, baby. What do you think? You want to grab your gingerbread house, don't you? Man. Okay, look. It's your gingerbread house. Look, baby. What do you think? You worked so hard on it. You did. Want me to try to hold it up to you? Don't drop it. Don't kick your gingerbread house. Jack, Jack, sweetie. Pay attention to your gingerbread house. Nope, nope. You can't touch it. But that's your gingerbread house, and it says Jack on it. It's your very first gingerbread house, baby. Yes, it is. Was that fun? Did we have fun making that? Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Sweepy, Sweepy. Did the doggies eat some gingerbread? Where's Uncle Vinny? There's Uncle Vinny. Where's Sweetie? And there's Sweetie. 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 Do we have a good time? Good job, Jack. It's your first gingerbread house. Good job. Do you have anything to say? No? There's Jack's gingerbread house, all finished, on display. Got the trees and the candy cane. And we've got gumdrops. And more trees. Can you let them reach over? Here, sweetie. Look at your gingerbread house. Do you like it? What do you think? Let's hope you're not allergic to anything on there. What? What do you think?